Man, RJ, you got this. I'm gonna go down and finish filming, cause Bob gonna be ready to go as soon as this thing's loaded.
Trunk? Oh, it's on the back of the trailer.
All right, so they got this all loaded up. You didn't have to do nothing, man. They could have got that.
No, the cord came off. I had no clue.
What cord?
The roof came from off of there. Ran out of battery juice.
So y'all had to push?
Yeah, we had to do half of it with our.
Why y'all didn't come get me?
Y'all was busy.
I got some good footage.
It was in the moment.
Is that gonna come clean, Eugene? I wear white and he.
I'm not. No, this is good. This is my work jacket anyway.
All right.
Eugene knows better than to bring clean clothes around me.
I want to keep.
Yeah. Especially not knowing he wants to keep.
Put a gallon of gas and throw in his car. Get started up. He should be here any minute. I should tell him everybody's leaving, dude. You took too long. He should have been out to bed this morning when I called him. He was in the bed.
Yeah, I had to get up out of bed early this morning too. I had to drive up to Milwaukee to get Eugene. I was like, yeah. And then my dad was gonna leave me. I was like, no, you gonna have to wait.
That's where Tony's coming from. He stays over there by near 91st and Good Hope, by Walgreens. He stays in the sub by those churches.
Right.
There's a church, 2 churches.
He stays right over in that same area too, right off of what is that, Green Bay?
No, that's not Good Hope.
What up, man? Where you at?
Got a good battery at home.
Yeah.
You're 2 minutes. Okay. Because they're loaded up already. Everybody's gonna be heading out.
All right, so now we got the the 70 Wildcat at the house here now.
And he had them in the box already.
What's that behind you, man?
That's my baby. That's my free spirit.
Man, everybody check her out.
Yeah, you can look at anything.
What is that, man?
75 Century. Just look in there and
Yep.
just put it on.
Yep.
Hey, we need somebody up there holding the brakes or that thing. Don't let that thing.
It's on the court.
Watch your tires out, bro.
That could have ended in a tragedy.
Right? Imagine if that sucker was just gone.
Too bad.
Nice, quick and easy. Oh, look at that, buddy. I know, right? My favorite time too, of course. Look at that skull in the back. You gotta
Day one.
gotta go around. Get this.
Oh yeah, you have to get that for sure.